Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today I'm going to show you how I make Southern style green beans for Thanksgiving. I'm not a big fan of green bean casserole, so I just make these instead, and they're always a hit. I'm just using canned green beans from the store, nothing fancy, and the first step is frying up the bacon. This is the most important step. I have 3 slices of bacon that I cut into thirds, therefore giving me 9 smaller slices for the green beans. I like my bacon a little crispy, but cook yours however you like it. Even the crispy bacon will get a little softer once in the green beans. Once the bacon is done to your liking, slide it to the side and add in 3 cans of green beans and make sure you drain them. Then mix all that together with the bacon. I peeled and chopped 2 medium russet potatoes. You can use red potatoes or whatever potatoes you like. Mix those in, and I also add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Then I'm going to add in some pepper, and I'm not adding salt, but feel free to add salt. These were not low sodium green beans, so they're already salted in the can, plus bacon has plenty of salt, and the chicken broth I'll be adding does too. But with the potatoes, you may want to add a teaspoon or so of salt. I like to leave it like this, and then people add additional salt and pepper when it's served. That way they can have it to their liking. I'm adding chicken broth until it covers the green beans. And every time I cook canned green beans, I drain the can and then I add chicken broth in its place. Also, sometimes I add garlic and onion to them. I mix everything together and cover, and I turn the heat down to medium-low, and I just let them simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until the potatoes are soft. And that's all there is to it. It's a really simple recipe, and they are delicious. Now you can always add in a can of cream of chicken soup if you want to make them a little more creamy. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned soon for another Thanksgiving recipe. Have a blessed day.